Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add your NGL link to your Instagram story. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, go and open up the NGL app just like so. Now what you want to do is make sure you sort of set up your account and then come to the share page at the top, and you can come down and click on copy link. Now what you want to do is close out of NGL and come back to Instagram, and then come to the home page and go and swipe across. Make sure you've got stories selected at the bottom, and you can now go and take a photo now, or you can choose one from your photo gallery. Then what you want to do is just go to the top, click on the sticker button, and you can then choose link. Here you can go and search for link if you're struggling to find it. Then click on the URL box and you can go and paste your link in. Press done and there it is. You can then add some text for context, and you can add other stuff as well. Then click on your story in the bottom left and it will go and be posted, and people can then go and click on the link and go and send you stuff. And then you can come back to the app and you can go and check out the inbox when you start to get some. So that's basically how you can add your NGL link to your Instagram story. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.